Tigpada ako sa ilang kon. Gusto ko magkabuang day kay kapoy mo ko day kanang gusto kong malingaw ba. Gusto ko
Dili siya
trabaho.
halata dahil. Dili halata.
Ah, really? I really look so tired. Ah,
Yeah.
okay. Sorry. I finished work 9:30, okay? Yeah, can you
When
make
ka
me
mag...
smile? You make me smile, okay? Pisting nga, tay!
Hi, Zari. Oh my God.
Wait
I
lang,
have a
Bi.
Zari now.
Siyan yun, Bi. Basig mo ko. Ano siyan sa ko ba?
Hey, hey, hi, Zari. Welcome in, Zari.
Die!
Oh my
Yan
God,
yung
thank you for chatting
dapat.
with Daddy.
Yung man is yan yun. Ay.
Dai, I have a Daddy noting.
Die! Yan!
Hala.
Kumusta?
He's calling me gorgeous.
Okay ra, die.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Gising ko lang. Kagigising ko lang.
Kagwapa man. Die! Magdula ta na Bi kay basig na ay mamhatag karon day.
Hi,
Wala mo
Maximo.
tao pero basig
Welcome
na ay
in.
mohatag ba.
PM me, guys, PM.
Daghan ko viewers ron no, nasa 200 plus. Pero wala ni mga pulos pag magdula ko. Sige, pagdula.
Ikaw an Bi
Daddy,
accept
PM
Bi kay
Daddy.
basig mo kuan sila ba mohatag wa ta kabalo. I always try. Sino mohatag sila day? Wa ko kabalo day yan.
Hindi ko alam kung
Oh, lahi man din yung account. Bantog gra.
ikaw ang daghan mo hatag. Ako man yung mga pulos.
Wala lagi mahatag diri sa ako. DM, thank you for your like, DM.
Ayan o, pork chop.
Oh, so yummy. You gonna eat it with rice? Lami man ana, uy.
Hindi para sa akin yan. Ako lang magluto. Hindi ako nakain ba?
Okay. DM, thank you for your roses. I like ano also, kanang murag ina na pero ribo ko na agbaboy day. I don't like
Hi,
pork.
OG. Welcome back, OG. OG, please tap me, OG. Where's
Ate,
OG?
wala. Gyud mo hatag diri karon buang diri sila diri.
Natanawan ni Mobo ako ang mga buang sila.
Unsa man ang imuha giday-dayon yin? Ganahan ra sila mohatag og ikaw ray mag-isa?
Oo, ganun sila. Ano ko?
Ah, ikaw na lang pag-isa bi kay aron makakwarta pug kadiha.
Hayaan mo
Ikaw-
dili naman ko active diri masyado sa live.
Ikaw man aning 3 minutes ko basta day makadaghan kay ikaw ra mag-usa kay ganahan sila isulo kanila.
Ay, bahala sila dira eh. Okay lang.
Isulo daw nila si Yin.
So, wala biya ko ginabuhat. So, di nga nila, luto-luto ko.
Ganahan sila maglantaw sa imuha.
Di, mga manilibog lang sila.
Gani.
Hayaan mo, umiyakan lang sila. Hindi na kayo nag-live na kami, ha?
Ag-live man pero talagsa lang kay wala po ko nag-live 2 days. I am not in the mood to do this live anymore.
Kasi naman,
Kapag yatagan ako ko sa snap.
ay, cooking ina.
But I live tonight because, yeah. Gusto na ako makapahulay gamay akong utok ba kay pang stress ko. Ano pa na ako ni diri? Pang stress live. Pag may stress ko mag-anhi ko diri pero TikTok is is not good.
Ako di.
Kay naong man ako tag kwarta, buong man ini sila diri. Nagkwarta first of all, wa mo'y kwarta gihatag mga buang mo. Parang pagod ta mo ron.
Hatagi daw may kwarta, be.
Be, asang kwarta? Ambe.
Hati ako sa sweldo, te. Ay,
Dayen.
nagkasoko.
Na ako pangutan na ba? Insaon di, kanang unsay paminaw di ay sa imo kay pagawa kasi mong tutoy. Gusto ko magpatutoy.
Oh, die, girl. Sobrang sakit!
Pero karon okay nakawala na sakit.
Ay, wala na. 1 year na ni.
Pero katong dati, sakit pa.
Ano siya? Grabe talagang sakit. As in, di ko in-expect. Hindi ko
Like for,
in-expect.
like for example, 3 weeks, I only have 3 weeks recovery. Is that okay to work back or no?
Di girl.
3 weeks is not good enough?
Bumalik ako sa work 2 months, pero hindi pa rin talaga ako masyadong naggalaw-galaw. Tapos, yung workout ko, parang bumalik ako sa pag-workout, mga 5 months na siya, pero lower part. Hindi sa taas.
Mm.
Kasi bawal pang bawal pa akong ma-stress yung mabugbog.
Mhm.
Kasi ano siya, ma-infection or blood clots.
Pero how do you feel kanang about karon nga naa ka diha na kay nana? Okay ra o bugat sa gabal?
Asa ka nagpabuhat eh?
Same.
Sa'yo.
The same ra?
Same ra. Walay dagdag, same ra siya.
Bulay sa gabal jud.
Wala. Atong unang araw ay oras raman ko ning gawas pagkapila after few hours ng
Asa na siya? Tepeke?
Hmm?
Gawa gani buang man ay kagawa gani.
It's gawa.
Magpagawa gali og ako ah. I want to have mine also but I want to have my surgery also but I only have 3 weeks holiday. I think that's not enough for 3 weeks to rest.
Mahirap ang sa girl, mahirap ang sa bubis kasi parang 3 weeks, first week sobrang sakit, as in sobrang sakit, second week masakit pa siya, parang 1 month talaga may sakit pa siyang unti, pero hindi
1
naman
month?
yung likod mo talagang sobrang sakit, tapos dito naninikip siya na parang hindi mo maintindihan. Lagi ako nagpapahilot sa kapatid ko kasi sobrang sakit niya talaga.
Shinigami, ik ben niet op Instagram en ik ben niet vrij vrijdag. Ik werk vrijdag. Ay, sa Pilipinas mo pinagawa?
Mr. Handsome, oo.
Ay, okay. Gusto na ako sa Pilipinas po kung magpagawa ko sa Pilipinas.
Kay mas mura sa Pilipinas. Pag sa abroad, doble-doble ang gasto.
Shinigami, what the fuck, Shinigami? Leave me. Ha? Mas mahal?
Mas mahal.
Nga naman.
Mas mahal, lalo na diri sa US. Kung
Ay, abi na ako sa Pilipinas, imong ingon nga mas mahal.
dili, mas mura doon kumpara sa abroad. Kaya yung ibang Pilipina, umuwi sila para lang magpaano. Doon sa Philippines, mahal.
Okay.
How about in Thailand, te?
Go na!
Dili man kay niingon nga gamay ako. Gusto ra na ako kanang magkuan pa
Kanya, ako po, dili man gamay ako Dili siya as in gamay. Pero dili man gud ko ni gusto god. Akong Jozawa. Ang may gusto, di man.
Be, pakita daw to be.
I want I
Ipakita
want
daw
more
sa
like
daw.
standing. Like way more.
Ay mo na siya.
What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the
Ano
fuck?
siya, girl? Malambot siya.
So dili nakaka-need og baby kay bawal man siya sa baby, right?
Hindi, under the muscle. Pwede ako magpadidi.
Ay gano'n?
Kung ikaw may bala kang manganak at magpadidi, mas maganda talaga under the muscle. Wag sa over the muscle. Tsaka-
Okay, under the muscle. Nya pila man to, pila man.
Parang
Pila man.
170 yata yung nagastos ko.
170. Oh. Kung pila man na siya 170,000 dako man ana ay.
Kamay
Murag
Bigo
mga-
maglayo let's see.
Murag mga 2,000 yan. Shinigami,
Yes.
ik ben donderdag ook niet vrij, Shinigami. Ik werk maandag tot vrijdag, Shinigami.
Pag uli na ako, girl, magpaano ko sa kong vilat.
Ay, magpasikip ka sa imong bilat?
Hindi, masikip na siya. Paanoin ko lang. Pagandahin lang natin.
Shinigami, secret. Shinigami. She believes Shinigami needs siya here, okay? Shut up. How you moon to up? Okay?
Yan.
She believe.
Live yan, nagbabattles kami, buang.
Shinigami, Extorian Berekya.
Sammy, say hi to them. Give them money.
Ikabaw
Everyone-
Shinigami.
Give. And give everyone. Ay, don't lick my face.
Katong kang ati ko ante ba? Kinsa to eh? Tinod to iya ha? Kang mami or nagpabuhat ra to siya.
Kinsa man?
Si mami ko ay malakalimot ko oy. Katong mag dating ba?
Si Mia?
O si Mia.
Pinuod to kay mag-uyog-uyog man.
Muuyog man tanan, girl.
Ah, talaga?
Pagpayugon ko ni Muuyog siya.
Eh, Shinigami, igbinibaos.
Pero di sa
Ma-extorya ang Berekya Shinigami, okay?
sa klase ng ng silicone.
Ah, sige.
I-push mo na yan.
Yeah, Mach. Shinigami.
Ako, pagamihan ko ni siya eh.
Ja, ik
Pausap.
stoor wel een berichtje Shinigami, maar ik ben bezig, oké? Ik stoor een berichtje na mijn live. Maar ik wacht als...
Magpakuan ko dahil tulog ka buok.
Sorry Shinigami, Risa is bezig, oké?
Hello everyone,
I'm
everybody.
trying. But no time, but I will try, okay?
Let's check.
Dahil naa siya good diri dahil Zafi, pero dili na good siya mo dunol dahil. Lantawa gali dahil. Dili na good siya mo dunol. Kaya atay mo siya. Insa, ipaunsa man mo imong kipay.
Ambot, ako arang ka ng pa-feng-feng.
Ay, imuhang grabe sa papeng-feng ko.
Saan man na te? Saan man na siya? Saan man na siya?
Murag sa murag pa-laser-laser ni mo?
Laser, tapos parang kay Doc Yapi. Si Mami Tuni, nag-ano si Mami Tuni doon ah. Pinapa-feng-feng niya yung kanyang Jodai, yung Fodai niya.
Ooh!
Tas,
Hmm.
oo nga.
Pwede,
Dahil
pwede
ganahan
po
kay imong
purple te.
imong bana sa imo ha.
Oo naman, Melvin. Pwede.
Ay, pwede pa purple?
Pa-purple, bahala, mamili kag color. Red.
Ay, gusto na ako ang pink na lang. Pink.
Akong sasawa, di biya gusto mo. Hindi man ang iba. Wala lang, gusto na ako. Nya, mahal mang gudire, pag uli na lang na ako, pag uli.
Ay, pangit man ang kwante. Ay, purple. Kaya mura nalagom.
Hindi, fing
And now,
para
Nahubad.
baby.
Hala, uy, parang dahil Zaf, parang ma-convince na gid ko magpa-surgery dahil ay. Ma-convince na gid ko magpa-surgery.
Do it na, do it. I'm telling you, do it.
Pero wala man ko kwarta, uy.
Diri gani, oh! Goals!
pagtigam sa lion dahil mga 100 ka lions.
I think I need 10 lion. Then I can have the surgery. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Gano'ng kalaki yung gusto mo?
Normal?
Anong
Size sa bat.
Normal pero circle nga kanang barog siya. Kana bang
Gusto mo high profile?
Oo, yes. Perfect. You understand me. Yawa panafon na dobo. Nagets ko ni mo day. Kung gusto. Kay
Paulit ko to, paliitin ko.
pag inaana
Masyadong
mong
malaki
good
para
day.
sa katawan ko.
pag mag-inana mang good ko diri day, so murag mas daghan bitaw kuan sa kuha diri like murag ma-shock sa kuha diri niya. Manghatag na dayon sila kay kung magsiksi-siksi og suot. Nanguan naman na marog naman yan nag-on na.
Kung gusto gani mo mga kita magpa-sexy tag suot, buang kasi dili ko dingo ano kay si TikTok ano man yan. Pa-sexy suot. Kanang kita-kita cleavage ba?
Di ba, TikTok is going to, TikTok is going to, sa pangalan na, ban me. If
Restrict?
I'm going to be sexy here or like showing, like if I'm gonna try to,
Really?
Yeah.
Wait.
Usahay di ba magkita man diri. Kami nila ay kita ni Mia ato, di ba kita ikayo diri?
Oo. Ganun.
Dagan.
Tin ako kailan like mura sila mga underage na nag-TikTok pero makita ilang cleavage diri ba makita kay.
I want to try that also, but TikTok not giving me chance because then I got every time restriction. So that's it. My body is private. What the fuck? Day, ipakita magidunta na ako, day. Magpaklibis-klibis magidunta ako diri. Kanang mag-crop top, di man po bitaw pwede sa akong TikTok ba kay makuan din ko diretso.
Ay ambot di man pareho si TikTok no?
Dili.
Dili siya pareho, dili siya fair.
Dili. Magkuan ako be. 3 more bottles and I'm going to sleep.
Uy, sayo kay ka matulog usahay makit-anti ka hang 5 o'clock diri or 4 o'clock ng hapon diri gising ka pa.
Yeah, because tomorrow I have to work early again, every time.
Asa day ka work?
Work sa tindahan kay bisyosa man. Sa'yo baya may niya karon kay gabiin ako na human, alas 9 na ako sa imedya diri sa Monuman karon kay mag 11. Do for the lagi ni for the charity of the boobs.
Go for it. For my boobies.
Gatay. Guys, send lion for the boobie cost. Huh?
Help Ritzy, she has a goals. She want to have a new bubelia.
Gatay. Wala na ba dyan mga tag-grade nga. Hindi ko kining isa diri. Wala naman ako nagipansin kay.
Yun sa ato, si...
Ay, kining na diri. Di naman ako.
Namin-mention ako, pod.
Pasagdan na ako kay kanang pasagdan na ako dai kay ngano kanang mahatag siya niya kanang pati na lang dyan murag kanang pinugos na bitaw.
Ritzy, lipat diri sa US.
I told you if I go to US, I need a man to go to US.
Angita ba? Kaya nang buti ni mo, di makakita.
Wala lagi.
Asa di ka Ritz? You okay?
In Netherlands. Boring cut pag live, boring cut be. What is no, don't, you're perfect. What's imperfect? If I'm perfect, I'm not perfect, okay? Because if I'm perfect,
Perfect and perfect.
Muratag mo ay. This no perfect because way bang hatag og gift. Kay perfect ni. Hoy day boring cut. Day boring cut magpa-boobs na gid ko boring cut. Nagulit na ako Pinas boring cut. Ako wa ning ipabarog akong boobs. O tara pare kay yan ba inana ba shit. Shit. Thank you. But yeah, just gonna Hindi ako maputri Arthur, thank you for your follow.
Hi Arthur, thank you so much Arthur.
Magic.
When I get older. Hoy, Glenda, you still alive, Glenda?
Hello.
Si Glenda ko na siya yung boyfriend.
Unsa? Naunsa si Glenda?
Wala ko kitang Glenda ba?
Naman siya diri oh. Glenda na pa kada, Glenda mag-live pa kaday.
Kiko ko ako, uy. 25 day pa, bro nagpapagnawong day.
Kinsa man?
Hi, JD.
May isang magtanaw dire.
JD.
What is yun day?
Asa naman tong permi man
Press eh.
bako nga ano good? Wala adili siya online.
Dili na giday, uy, di sila lagi manghatag lagi. Kaya kung manghatag pa ni sila ginagko. Mula pa na dyan sila magsayasayaw, tingalita.
Giburingan na sila nato, kinahanglan nato mohimo og kuan eksena.
Mag-away-away ta, away ako.
Ano ba na maaway, oy?
Kapoy no?
Di ko ka ba yung maaway?
Pari, I
Ako gani, ano na lang.
but,
Hindi sa
I just want to do it for myself. Like, nobody cares, I think. Like, just me for myself, doing for myself. Yeah.
Saan balak? Anong doktor balak
Thank
mo?
you so much.
Kinang
I don't know pa, kay, di pa man ako,
Ayun, mag-search ka, mag-research ka,
mga
maghanap
gali, di pa rin ako sure kay,
ng babae na gusto mo yung pagkagawa sa kanya, yung same ng body frame mo, ganun.
yeah. Richard, hi Richard. Yes, kanang, gusto rin ako, kanang, hot lang tama na dyan. Kanang buring-buring na gito.
Parang wala to ba? Napo ko ay saba din ha.
Thank you, Jay.
Awaya. Kay pildi ka aning akong hinaharap. Ana ba?
Hoy, Jay. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh my guess that's Starry.
When I get older. Ay, day. Patyo na to atong kuan bina ako i-appeal nga mangaway ni siya magpaaway ta kay kusog ni mangaway ikuan ninyo kusog ini
Correct,
mangaway
correct.
para magka-gift ta magtubay sa
Correct,
kusog
correct.
ini mangaway day
Sige.
kini o
Ay, muna katong kuan na, katong nag-away sa mo last.
giata ay naka ano man yun siya
Muna sa ipadungog layon.
kini kusog di mga
What do you want, Ritzy? You want mangkuan?
are you okay?
Akala ko kasi, sabi kasi nung ibang tao, umiiyak ka daw dahil sa inaway kita. Charlie, kilala mo si Charlie? Ambal niya, nagibi ka daw, gin-block mo daw yung gifter mo. Ginachismis ka niya diri sa broad ko. Pero wala siya diri. Kahapon.
Literally?
Seryoso. Ano pa, ano karon screenshot ko. Saan ka galing? Ilocana ka or Ilongga?
Bisaya ko day.
Na, day. Ako
why?
ako tayo screenshot sa imuha unya bike, day, kay kinakaluoy ko lang na, day.
Then you sent me screenshot? What is that again for screenshot? Who's talking again?
Wait lang si Charlie, i-share ko sa kanya.
Later, you send me screenshot.
Diri siya kakadto sa broad ko, diri niya ginachat. Tambali na ay.
Hmm?
Wala na nag-live si Ritzy, kay naging block niya na tong iya. Bago ba siya na rin? Bago ba siya? Ang ako kay ate ay, ang ako kay ate Raquel, ate Raquel. Ano sa man to ate Raquel, nag-ano man to siya ng ging seryoso na Ritzy itong pang-away na ako sa iya ha. Gihilak.
Hey girl, I'm fine, girl. I'm fine.
Kana gani naglakat yan siya diri
I don't care whoever
Charlie nga, Charlie, dira alin.
Ay sigsaba maayo gay na mag-away ta. Maganda nga yung mag-away tayo. Hindi ko seryoso yan. Nag-away-away man din kami dati nila mo rin ha. Magsigil mo
Ano
away.
ba? Wala bitaw seryosohan eh. Away-away, bitaw na ko eh.
Hmm?
Drum.
Uy!
Day, A3 na ko, day. A3 na ko. Pagulat ka next week, day ha. Kaya makita ko si mong layon.
Madam Raquel, hi! Madam Raquel.
Ate Raquel!
Baby, kaya mag-away
Pero,
to.
thank you. Ate Raquel, si Ate Raquel na. Si Ate Raquel, awayan kay.
Inutusan ko nga na mag-away tayo. Oh. Oh, bakit?
Nonchalant kayo.
Yes.
Can
Angel?
you see you?
Angel.
Ano?
Where is your people, Angel?
Here.
Where? I only see one people talking.
My people. It's
Oh,
enough.
yeah, that's your people?
Bato ka? Bato!
Uy, awayin mo to si Yen Yen kay kanang daghan na siyang tao day. Awayan na day kadaghan nagtao parang muhatag siya. Tema mamay ko. Ha?
Yan, where is your people? Wala lang mapikon ha, kay
Dili man ko
away,
magpikon
kabalo
day.
bitaw ko
Dili.
away, mahilak bitaw. Daghan bitaw nagilak diri sa cute dahil sa ako kay gwapa bitaw.
Oh,
Ha?
that you are beautiful?
Hey, are you saying that I'm handsome?
I'll never get jealous. Sorry. I'll never get jealous because I have my own face. Pag sure, yeah, oy.
Dinlain na pud niya yung istorya oy. Chef Money, she's blackmailing me.
Stacy? Stacy?
Chef Money, she is blackmailing me.
Dito. Ay,
Daddy,
Bike.
mi daddy.
Kanang unsay oras, anong oras dyan? Ba't ako mag-ano nung alam ba, nung last time ko lang na-realize na hindi ka pala Bisaya. Madam Raquel, nung last time ko lang na-realize, hindi ka pala Bisaya.
She's blackmailing me. Si unsa di si Ate Raquel?
What blackmailing?
Okay.
How do I blackmail you?
Just
What did I
bullying
do?
me. Bully only bully. Chef Money, can you push the score, Chef Money?
You cannot put anything, nothing you can
Ano o
put.
si Terry, imo na siya gi-black dai?
There's nothing you can put. They can
Hi,
put
Arthur.
nothing.
Welcome in, Arthur.
You are nothing but a second rate trying hard.
Hi, Katie. Thank you.
Kakuan naman ni sila diri anong tawag diyan? Parang yung ano dito, hindi naman bigay yung mga ano dito. Kaya nga maayo pa si Yen, nagluluto. Oo, buti pa siya. Nagluluto tapos magkapera-pera ganyan.
Yan,
Buang
kita
ba sila dito?
Luto. Gusto mo?
Guys,
Luto ka.
for the boob cost tapa.
Dahil na, diri mo ang kuan day, galantaw sa kuha. Ay, joke ra.
Send lion for the boobs.
Sand lion for the boobies.
Gusto niya naman pala ng magandang balls. Ba't hindi naman di sila magbibigay dito?
Hi, Steezy. Hello.
Yan na pala yung goal ko ngayon. Kasi malapit na ako uwi ng Pinas. I'm not almost going back, like going to visit, but kasi still like 2 months something. But that is almost, okay? Uy, sus! Kistari. Yate na, uwaw pa na. Hiya pa siya. Grabe magbigay ka, laki.
I-mention ako sa nimo.
Kalaki yung bigay. Ha?
I-mention
Guys,
ako kanang naa
Guys, we keep losing.
Huh? Are you okay?
Ano, are you okay?
You have 13 points only. You still want to play?
Okay, bulihin mo pa. Dagdagan mo.
Yes, do you have team in there? Or you doing live for nothing?
support me, like drop something. And I will drop
Because-
something too.
Because you only have 13 points.
But you have only 3
That's,
points
no,
now.
that was only the tapping. They only tap you. They can only tap you. No score. No coins. This little. Broke. So many. So many your team.
Wait, girl, if my team will come, you will cry again.
I cry? No, I cry if you get universe. I cry, okay? Where's your universe? You have universe?
Wait, girl, just wait, girl, because if my people will come, girl, you will just run again the same what you did before.
25 years? Really? In 25 years?
Is that true, Ate Ritzy?
25 years, I keep waiting. I probably finish TikTok, girl, and you never will have your universe.
Girl, just wait, girl.
Yeah,
Wait
tell
and
your
see, wait and
yeah, tell
see.
your people to know how to play, okay? Because they don't know how to play.
And how about your people, girl? They give you only what's that?
No,
One
later also, because the live just start. I'm talking the last battle that
Yeah,
they
we
don't
was-
give you nothing.
just don't run, girl, okay? If my people will
I will
come.
never going to run, okay?
Girl, you always run.
I never ran. Your people is the one who's running because they're scared. They're very little.
Para sila kita magsayaw, sayaw ta.
Ako lang, girl. Easy, thank you so much, Easy. Oh, with your 399 and you're bragging on me? Wait, now you will see me.
Yeah, girl. How about yours? You have 9.
Yeah, at least I have.
Yeah, it's not just what they can give to you, only until tapping. This? Meow, meow, meow. So little. Do you have team or you're alone? What are you doing here?
I'm
You will
eating,
see
girl.
your time. You're eating.
Yeah, we love to waste our time.
Babe, who is your first one there who can't even play farther? Stacy? Oh my god.
No, Mary.
Stacy is not loyal because he came to me also.
Just for the
And he went
bottle.
to you and can't play one. Yeah, atay.
But I have Ali, girl. I have Ali. And you don't know Arab. I have Ali, girl.
Ali?
Yeah.
Alibaba? Alibaba? Alibaba is broke.
Saying
Girl, you're not broken, girl.
So small people don't even have times to no times to.
Girl, we don't need times two. We don't need times two to play, girl. We don't need use your times two, please. As long
Okay,
as you
then
want.
show me that you don't need times two, okay? Show me that you don't need times two.
But show me also, okay, that you will
Yeah,
have.
10,000 points without times two, huh? No bonus, 10,000 points. Show me. Thank you, Starry.
Nagsitakbuhan na talaga sila, girl.
Yes, I told you they're running because they cannot support you. And they're scared of me because they're very little. All broke people. What are they doing?
How about
Only
you?
watching, no, only watching you and can't even give you your universe, your lion.
But you use double, bro, and you have only 2.1.
Ah, look, did you see your score? 9 points. That's only the people who like top to you. That's not the coins. That I have 2,000, but that is coins. You have nothing. People, your team is this.
Wait, girl, we still have 30 seconds, okay? Maybe you will cry after the game.
Yeah, we will see.
Wait, girl,
I
because
will only cry.
you will run
I will
again
only-
the same before, bro, girl.
I will only cry if there is universe. Voila. Only for universe.
You're so cheap, girl. Only one universe?
They can't even give you 100 score, and you're dreaming for how many universe? You're dreaming for more than universe.
Yeah, girl, because they
Girl,
want.
the game is finished. Where is your team? Go cry, cry.
Score.
Go cry and run away.
Ali, I don't want to run away.
Why are you calling Ali?
My people
Why you
will come, girl. They will come and they will bugbog you.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Okay.
Very sure.
You let them go me, but I'll make sure they can't win because they are just until this
Daddy. Daddy.
so small people.
Girl, your score
Not
is
hard
only
anymore.
2K.
2K. Girl, they can't even give you 100 points.
Girl, I don't need 100 points. But you,
Me also, I don't need 100 points. Me also, I don't need 100 points because okay, of course my lion also here. Uy, Monami. Hey, Monami, look, I didn't follow you back. What the fuck? Sorry, daddy.
bakit hindi napipikon si Ali? Perry. Thank you, Perry.
What is very real, Munami? What a very real? Someone will send me here right now. My lion.
What's your lion, girl? You don't have lion, girl.
Girl, I don't have lion, but at least I have score. You always have 0, 0, 0.
Just wait and watch.
Just wait and watch. The game will be finished and you still have 0. I don't like small people, okay? I want
Bring your
big people
test,
very hard to answer Melvin's question.
What, girl?
Oh, Monami, have you been listening, Monami? Starry, thank you. Hoy, it's very real. See, I told you that it was real because it's moving, like it's shaking. Shake, 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 shake. It can shake, it can move. So it means it's real. I told you that I think it's very real because it's shaking. The fake one cannot move, cannot do shaky shaky. Again, you have 0 score. Is that?
Asa naman sila man? GM, can you help us winning? Because this girl has been bullying us. She's so bully.
Monami is that is very blessed. Okay, I considered her blessed on that side, on the very powerful side of the woman. Okay, if that is big, everything is very good. Yeah. I'm going to have mine also bigger. I will do surgery, but first I need cost for the boobs, okay? This live is for the boob cost, okay? So generous with the compliment. Yes, because big is always, big always good. The big and very hard. What the fuck is that? Uy, sa manigari.
Asa naman sila man? Sana kunin?
I don't know, girl. Are you not tired in there? You only have 3 points.
Wait, girl, my people is just like, they are eating now.
The eating? Oh, you wanna see what I have? Let me think, Casey, let me think. 2 universe is enough. I show you, okay? 2 universe, I show you. It's enough. Yeah. Can you drop down your universe and 2? I think 2 I need. And then I show you.
Asa naman sila man?
Okay? Until then, I keep it
Hi,
private, yeah?
Suzu. AJ, hello AJ. Okay naman.
Damn shit.
Wala ba ito?
No, can you read? Oh my god, Angel, again. What is your score? 6 and 0?
Girl, you didn't even reach 10k, girl. Just wait.
Oh,
my
girl,
people
I don't care if I didn't reach 10k. You never reach 100, girl. This still can help for my boob surgery, okay? This can still help. Little by little. It can help me, okay?
Thank you, AJ.
No, I said 2 unis. I'm gonna show you mine because you said let me show you. Show me what I got, okay? I said if you send 2 units, then I will show you. Understand me? Like that. Like what You see what Yen Yen got? I will get that one. Bigger. You see, I'm proud of what I got, okay? Being proud and want to enhance yourself is different, okay? Maybe because I want to have,
Asa naman na sila man?
yeah. Oh, why is he back? I mean, AJ superpower. I've noticed, girl. He just watch you, but
Hi,
he's
Mina.
not giving you anything. I've noticed it.
Girl, leave it, girl, because once my people will come, you will run.
Oh, really? I will run? I will never run. The only
Perry, thank you, Perry.
the only will run is going to to daddy. I will what the
Three more, guys.
don't involve plastic. I love plastic. Okay, so don't worry. Buang mo, manday na sila diri. Magbuot man, you already have perfect in balance. What if I don't want balance? I want complicated. Okay, it will be balanced because first I want the front to be big and then the back to be big next time. So it's gonna be balanced. Okay, time will come. Maybe that is 10 universe. I'm not joking. She wants to be unbalanced.
Mina, thank you, Mina. Guys, stop your screen.
Yeah, manday ni sila diri day.
Guys, stop your screen.
Because it's so hard to look for. I'm looking for my daddy, and it's so hard to look for my daddy. I'm looking now for 7 months.
Kylie!
He's not working. I think I'm not enough, so I need more. Yeah, I need more of me because it's not enough. I have not found yet.
Hi, William. Hi,
Tama.
Jane.
Damas Yawar. Mikey. Yes, everything is good, Mikey. Mar can beter.
Okay, thank you so much, Jay. James.
Kylie, kamusta ka na, Kylie?
No, me is not enough, okay?
Guys,
I
we
need
need
Thank you so
more.
much, Jay.
Ik ooit Rotterdam. Wat zei je? Ik ooit Rotterdam? But I don't know what you're talking. Again. Angel again. What is your score?
Wait, girl.
Maybe
Just
it's
wait and see,
Tuesday.
girl. Wait and see talaga.
Please double tap.
Girl, you're bragging with your 3K, girl.
Girl, how many games do we have? Oh, how many games do we have? 6 games? Did you ever won? Never. And you will never.
Hi, Daddy.
But if my people will come, girl, you will.
Marza. I forgot your name.
You will be also kawawa, girl. Thank you, AJ. Go to sleep, guys.
Okay, appeal ko dito.
We're sleeping in morning. Sino mapel?
Dito daw kay ano. Appeal daw dito kila ano.
How are you doing, John?
Nana naman sila. Uy, tulo naman sila dito. Uy, kakapoy, uy.
Hello.
Walay manghatag dito sa ako Kig-away ang takuan ng Angel. Angel, asa imong tao, Angel? Asang tao mo? People very small. I don't like small. If I were you, I run away. This, I'm tired of playing with you, girl. I'm giving you last time to play. You never have score.
Whatever.
Okay, this is last time.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan, AJ.
Huwag kang maniwala dyan. Why?
Girl, why are you listening to my conversation with my people?
Because I can hear you and I have a mouth to talk.
But it's none of your business, though.
Why do you? What did you say with your people? Do you even have people in there? Because I've never seen people from seventh game we had.
So, what do you think of them, girl? They
Did you
are
just say that you have? Did you just say that you have people in there? Where is your people? Oh, girl, cry because they never rescue you,
JD, thank you, JD.
and they never will.
Yeah, but if we win, you will cry, girl.
I will cry. Me? And you're not. Do you think you're even gonna win this one? Do you think you stood a chance? You don't have a chance to win. Okay, who do you have there? Who you have?
Hi,
What the fuck,
Katie.
Baki boy? Why did you turn into monkey?
Katie, thank you, Katie.
What is wrong with you? Why did you turn into monkey? Hey, kung mga broke ba sa imo? Your people, all people there is broke. All of them.
Hi, Brandon.
Sige kung mag-istorya diri, walang tao dyan nagbibigay sa'yo.
Just wait, girl. If my people will come, you will cry and run also.
Okay.
Hey, thank you so much,
Guys,
Brandon.
can we try to open the double?
Try.
Let's try to
Don't
open the
say
double.
try.
Brandon just said
Hi,
Brandon.
Captain
Look at
Mike.
her, Brandon.
Keep quiet, ikaw. Okay, fine, hi. Guys, just try to open the double. We will still wait for the miracle. Angel will come, girls.
Yeah.
JD just wait.
Okay, pakalihain yan.
Varen, hello, Varen. Guys, three rows. Thank you.
You the roses, Brandon.
Just make sure that you will win, girl, okay? Make sure. Guys, times 2. We all need to wait for the times 2.
Gatay dayen, pangayog, roses de happy.
See, guys, they cannot even open the double there.
Guys, give me roses. Roses na.
Guys, times 2.
Appreciate that one. Forget.
Thank you, JD. Thank you so much, JD. Thank you, JD. Hi, Mr. Fallen. Guys, times 2. Push more the score.
People share for people. Oh, you stressing out now? You stress out? What happened? What is that? What is your score? 400? Oh my god, who is Henning? Henning is level 21, very poor. So little, very broke. Can only give you 400 with the times 2?
Now, girl, show me your power.
Which one? One. What are you talking, girl? I don't care because we played 8 times and this is probably gonna be the first time you gonna win. Or
But
maybe
girl, I didn't saw your screen to have this score. This score, you didn't even get this. Since the day that we played, you never had this score.
I'm
Now you're
crying
using
right
this on us.
It's so sad. I'm crying right now. Where?
See, girl? Girl, you used that for our last game. Thank you so much. Okay, fine.
I don't
Girl,
care.
look what you're doing in our last game. You wanted to have a last game and you keep like hiding your score. Show us the score. Show us.
Girl, show me that your people can play and
This
can
is
stay
the
with
first
you.
time.
Shut up! Show me that your people can stay with you.
Why
okay?
would I shut up? The
No,
people
because
is
that maybe probably just the first time you're gonna win, okay? Because your people is gonna run away. So show me that they can stay with you and keep playing, okay? Show me first before you can do blah blah blah. Okay? Shut up! Don't ever talk. I told you they can't play with you, okay? They cannot stay with you and play with you. Only one time, that was a luck, girl. They probably just pity with you. They can't even tap their screen right now. Are they still even there?
Thank you, okay.
Boring ka. Boring ka. Di ba nag-live mo? Boring ka?
No, you're here.
Did they go away now? Did they just run away?
We don't run, girl.
Mm. Show me. Tell them to play in front, okay? Not to go doing snipe, snipe, snipe. Tell them to play in front and show what they got because they can't win anyway, okay? Show me what they got, okay? Because they can't win. I'm telling you that.
We'll see, girl.
Let's see, Perry said, I will come back later. Let's
We'll see. But make sure that your people will make you win this time.
Hi, Perry.
Because maybe your mist and your booster are gone.
Mm. Girl, I told you. I don't care because I want to see that your team, if you even have a team, I want to see if your team can play with you, can stay with you, okay?
Girl, they will stay with me. Just the last previous game he arrived.
How many times do you need to go out?
And you'll see that.
Yeah.
Make sure you have a good score, okay? Because this time, you'll never win.
I'll
Inshallah.
make sure, okay?
This time, you'll never win, inshallah.
You sure? I'm never gonna win?
Inshallah.
Oh
Inshallah.
my god, right away the booster on the bonus.
Let's see the power of America. If you can win this time.
Who's the power of America? Shell, the power of America.
Ay, asa di ka? American ka ba?
Who is that?
Why? How about now?
None of your business, whoever it is.
I'll just mute them
Whoever is that
for
ghost?
a little while. A little.
These people
Few
gave
minutes.
me 30K last time, girl, and you
I
have
don't care.
nothing.
Oh,
And I swear.
You have nothing when I got 30K last time. Thank you so much. I have okay, fine.
Oh, then let him put also the 30K this time.
Why would I, girl? We have 9.8.
Problem?
Isn't playing music.
9.8.
So?
And you will snipe? With the
Why?
booster and mist? As usual?
Girl,
Why are you not showing?
girl, what did you get? This 13K? Do you know this 13K is what also with
Yeah, I don't really do
posting
battles.
love and the
I don't know. I don't really do battles. They're just inviting me. They invite me to do battles. I don't really do battles because no one support my battles. None. It's just like today. I joined because
Are you looking the number
I'm
now?
alone.
You're looking the number? Good. Because you only have 13 and I have 20. You're never gonna win from me, girl. Never you will win. Never. I'm telling you that. And probably he's now running away. Very far because he's gonna be very broke.
Can't turn my
So broke?
And never felt this way before.
20K? And you're just like 20K. Girl, make it at least one lion.
And girl, are you trying me to have lion? Will you?
Yeah, at least make it lion, you know? Make me
Girl, you're
scared.
daring me to have the lion. You lose.
Girl,
Okay.
tell him
You
to drop a
lose.
lion.
Tell your
Tell him to
people
drop
to
a
send
lion,
not
bro.
tell your people to
Where's
send
the
the
lion?
lion, not to me. Tell your people to send
Girl, I
lion.
lost the lion last night.
This is the last chance, really. Okay, last chance, because I'm going. It's not worth it to play with you. You're
Thank you so
very
much.
small. Your people are so small. Last one. Die. Last one, Anik.
Guys, this is gonna be the last game, guys. Last game.
I need to sleep.
Because why not?
Guys, last game.
Melvina,
They're happy
give me-
watching these people,
Last
so
game
why
because
not?
because Terry is broke, so this is gonna be the last game.
They're just sharing their
And just for you, for your information, girl.
I stop, girl. I stop because I need to sleep. Okay, I stop
You
because I
run
need to
because
sleep. I
Terry
don't.
cannot able to give you lion, and you will get pissed off again because you don't have lion today.
Awayin mo ako.
Now, girl, what? Is he broke? Is he broke now? You want to do last game, right? Terry, it's last game. Throw lion.
I need to go sleep.
Terry! Throw lions, Terry. I have my people here now. Minions, maglagay ka ng booster and mist in last 25 seconds, okay? Nobody will open the double because we will put mist and booster in last 25 seconds. So, Terry, I can see you very far now. You are in number 3. What happened? Broken? You're broke?
Winnie Moy.
Terry, you're gonna, and what? You will sell another stuff again so you can support her? You know, Terry will cry now, really.
Oh my god, guys. But why we don't have time?
Terry, what happens, Terry? EJ, maglagay ka ng mist in last 25 seconds. Okay? Mag-mist ka in last 25 seconds. Mag-mist ka. May mist ka ba? May booster ka? JD, thank you, JD. Go, guys. We will wait for miracle, guys, you know? Because I have someone here. He's hiding. Let them play the double because they don't have lion. Terry is nothing. He's broke now. He's broke. Terry, broken ka na, Terry. You're broken. Girl, don't you feel ashamed that you will lose with a very small score now? You have 20k score, and now what? What? Only that? Terry, we're gonna snipe alliance, Terry. Make it more. Ang mist and booster, okay? Ang mist and booster and last 20, not 25. Put it in last 15 seconds. They might put timer, okay?
Girl, are you the one who's
Last
scared
15
now?
seconds. Girl, 8k? Why we can snipe it, girl?
It's okay, girl.
Last
No
game,
problem.
girl. Last game and you will lose? Oh my god. Ugh. 12k? Come on!
Yeah, I don't have problem with that.
In last 15 seconds. 12k? What's with 12k? Girl, you have 18. Oh, you have 18. Why don't he give you the lion? He's broke. 15 seconds, okay? 15 seconds. 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
Okay, girl.
Put it now.
And
Put
make
the
sure that
timer.
we can
We
really
have
pause right
timer.
now, okay?
Put the timer, guys.
Guys, I think that they're gonna snipe. Good night, girl. You only.
Where's your lion, girl? I thought you're gonna have lion.
Don't ask me for my lion. Okay, have a good sleep. Yeah, don't ask me for my
Girl,
lion.
you will not able to sleep today because you didn't
Nah,
receive
I
the
can have a good
lion.
sleep. I can have a good sleep because even though if I don't have lion, you never won from me. So
Girl, today is your day. Tomorrow, you're gonna run from me. Like, I played to you until you said enough. But remember when the last time you run?
did I even run? Girl, I never run.
You
I'm
did.
playing because I need to go to sleep.
Yeah, but you never received the lion, you'll sleep? Oh. Shame. Shame. Do it again. Do it. Let's try one.
Let's try once. I go. Bye-bye. Buang na siya diha. Guwapa! Guwapa, umanagod ko. Pero an mantik. Uy, guwapa lagi kay kakaron. Why you look so beautiful today?
Buang. Filter na na. Why filter oh? Kuan ragod katong smooth ragod pero mo.
Uy, grabe. Guwapa kay kakaron.
Uy kayo oy.
Kanang murag bagay day ka sa imo hapod ang kuan, ang straight nga buhok. Day mo dula na tag kaisa, okay? Just really one game. I'm finished but I see you. Buang pa.
Wa mo koy dadilo na day nahot.
Ay, wala man po kinayaw. Shit.
Day, my dadilo is not here anymore. They are already gone, so it's okay if I'm dead.
Look, boring ka. I also don't have daddy low, okay? Because that thing doesn't exist. Like, that's not real.
Kisa mo gipasabot day nga nagchika ang kuan. Chikahin niya ko niya ikaman. Kay nag-away sad sila si Ki og si Jay. Nagchatan na sila tungod sa kuan ba. Lahi na gani mga
Sorry, Paul. Thank you so much.
sorry. Lani paano na ko si story day okay ra di promise day pareha na kan.
Buang ka. Wala sa problema, may na. Wala man na sa kuwa. Day, uy, ipalo ba? Mas kuwan.
Okay day. Marquis, hindi ko glayon bis, hindi ka pilas.
Bilang nagadaga-daga.
Buang man kay amawol man ni si Marky day, buang Pinoy man ni good.
Gali. Uy, Marky. Pag saan og line, Marky, para na kay bilat.
Buang
Gusto mo ng bilat, Marky, o hindi?
Marky, you want bilat or no? Andre! Wow! Oh my god, I really appreciate Andre.
Ang
Uy, tawagi ko sa WhatsApp ba? Chika.
day na po kayo ingon sa imo haday. Nag-away po day silang duha sa imuhang ako pong duha nag-away po kining naa diri. Kining ikaduhog ikausa sa kuan nag-away po na sila. Kining naa diri, nag-away po sila ayun lang kuan.
Katulagi ka na. Pero ni give up naman si Kiday kay tungod atong gipang storya buang mo kay ni si Jeremy kay
Nakauyab na siya.
nakauyab na si Ki. Tapos type ba na ko si Ki.
I'm also tired of this TikTok now. I think ano, like pag kahuman ako magundang na ko ani diri. I'm tired of TikTok.
Me too. I need to focus on my kwan ko if ever but then nagdating site dito ko dahil ako kay mga lami online pero mga bata 22 ko.
Yeah, that is my problem also with the dating side. They're like 20, 21. So like, oh my God.
Kaya di ko ganahan dai kay ganahan ko mga ko 40 or 39 ana. I like 40s.
Me, ginoo ko, for me, 20.
Yes, Kyle, I need to transfer into Clapper so no restriction. Ay, si Kuan si P, dia. Ibo kay si Penny mo si Star.
Me?
Ay, di ba si ba kana si ay
Kabuangan na, wait lang. Who like me? Who like you?
siya si who likes you? Starry and Paul. Oh,
This one here?
pero dai,
Who knows? Who do we know who they're talking? We never know.
ay dai.
Oh,
Busit kay si nakagapuhad ay ni Jim mo dai. Ito ko.
ha?
Kagapuhad ay ni Jim kata sa ni Jim mo ba? Gwapo ka si Jim mo dai. No. Taas kay ilong nga. Blue eyes. Haloy ko nga. Pisti mo si Jim mo. Nanawag siya sa WhatsApp dahil. Pisti. Ha?
Sige na ba hatag sa imuha? Ningon di ako nga timan na dayon ka ng mga sa pangatag diha.
Wala nga.
Di atay guys. Si Kuan ba? Si Arthur ba? Kay kusog ba kay ito?
Katana ko?
At timan na, kanang Kuan na, igat-igati.
Wala ay di ko. Oy, bahala uroy ka. Kapira ng mga dadilon. I'm tired of TikTok. I don't want to chat. I don't want to chat them uday uy for games. Bahala mo dira. Kumuhatag sila hatag di ko mo chat. Kana si Kyle gani katong pag big match. Wa man ako na siya chati pero sige na siya giingnan ni kuan nga. Are you ready ka ni Jeremy ba? Are you ready? Mo to nga wa jud ko ni chat ana niya. Wa jud ko ni ingon nga help me kuan na kay kuan wala di ko man na wala di na ko ganahan mag piki-piki day kay samukan ko kay tungod sa away nila ba.
Oh. Dai, asa na ni si Kuan be? Si Raquel og si Kibakik. Upataan nila be kay awayon putan sila. Hilo man gud ni si Raquel og awayon oy. Si Moreno ang tato kay magpaaway gyud.
Bubong kasi Morena day kay nabuang makig-threesome sa siya.
Kansa man? Ay, talaga? Trisam?
Ko nga buang kang bayana ka, amiga ta niya.
Ay, hindi. Basig, she likes to want threesome. Oh, what's the problem?
Dili day kay I've been there kay nakoy amiga diri. Nakoy amiga diri nga makig-threesome pod sa iyang bana niya. Nag-away mi tungod ana. Uganahan.
You guys have threesome. I don't have twosome. What the fuck is that?
Dili ba wala ko ka-try ba?
I don't even have one some.
Yeah, I don't even have my one-some yet.
Wilong ready.
There you go again, Yana. Raquel and Yana, I was finished with Boringkat. Oy, I only play one game.
Oh my gosh, times 3.
Because I really need to go. Paul, thank you, Paul.
Sige ako po kay magkwan ko kanang
Yeah.
magkwan ka.
I was actually finished, but I was just saying hi to Boringkat because I didn't play with Boringkat yet today. Hoy, I didn't play, ha? I didn't live for 2 days, ha? I just live now. I thought of to, I've been so tired.
Uy,
Yesterday.
ipalubak na ko si Starry ha. Friend gabita mo ra man na sila kon gud. Palubak na ka.
Hoy, nabuang ka diha. Ipalubak kay... Sayang.
O si Starry. Yawa man ka day oy.
Day. Sayang, buwang man ka. Ay, gigo ako'y kabuang sayang kay umatag. Dawaton.
Buang ngayon. As you told me, Day, I don't put me in the middle. Put me.
Day, with Jeremy, day, different ba to? Uy, naapag itong screenshot na ko, direct naapag itong, ano na ko, direct ka Jeremy. Nalagay ko, day, wait, don't put me in the middle.
Okay, Day. Juan, ano man na, Day? Okay,
Day, don't put me in the middle, but I want you to be in the middle.
this is only for Juan, for friends, pero don't, Juan, kasabot na Juan na, Day. Musta na, Day, to si, Ian, Day. Ian, Day.
Paul, thank you, Paul. Gahulat ko siya ha, kay naman siya sa Pilipinas, gahulat ko siya, kay di ko mang gusto mo sa iyang pagkuan dito, lingaw-lingaw dito.
Okay.
Pero okay rami, kanang siya akong, ikaw, kung wala mong good siya daghang, bitaw, kanang gubot, hilomar siya ba? Kung sa marag pa, seryosohay nga, lalaki nga akong gusto
Mao di ay nga, nagpatasanin ni sila level o. Story o
Okay, gaaway man sila day, gaaway man na sila gid bastos kay sila ginistoryahan sa sa ila hapong kaugalingong chat bastos pagka sila.
Pareha di ay ni K og ni J.
Nagbinastos niya. Pag inana nagali ang tao sa ako ay di na ko ganahan kay nanaga sila magtato sa isa't isa. Di ko ganahan bastos.
Gani, nga kuan ba ginabito na ko sila nga pwede mag-friends na lang mo kay kamo ang ano dapat kun
O basta kapag gikuha mo sila imong katrisam kay gusto ka na tawa. Threesome, two boys.
Threesome, foursome.
walking red flag nga mga lalaki oy. Red flag man gyud mga lalaki day. Kaya ana manggod og dili sila tag doon sa ilahang type mo adto sa barkada. Kalagot.
Sorry na, Day. Okay, yeah, that's very true.
That's very true. Kay si Ian po, ni-chat na ko si Ian nga, kanang Riza, kuan mi, bad admin. Kung ano nga rin makamushare na ako. Makamushare na ako. Pwede man niyan. Mo to nga. Kung nga, nakasabot na ko aning. Kung nga, di na ko ni patulaw na. Abi pala mo, patul ko niya. Ready ko, mga toxic kayo. Exactly. Kay, gusto nila ba nga, imbis na ganahan na unta kong Jeremy atong time mo, nakuha na noon.
Raquel, madam, asa man ang dadilo mo?
Trabaho. Napurdoy nun.
Akin din man, pordoy talaga din dito. Okay, last one. Wait, I didn't have my flying jet yet. Oy, where's my flying jet? I only need one flying jet and my life goal finish. Tatay.
Nagbayad sa ticket ko sa Pinas.
Okay.
Okay, one last one, Beke. Basi maka-flying jet ko. Last one.
Guys, send flying jets to Riza. Starry and Paul, send flying jets. Kung saman mo mga dadilo, red flag na mo.
My life is finished. After I flying jet, my life finished. Fuck.
Hi, Christopher.
Gusto rin ako makakuha ng flying jet and then maglakaw na ko. Flying jet is from my gift gallery.
Yun lang.
Amoy P. Grabe naman po amoy P.
What's then I'm not giving then? I'm not giving.
Hi, Rafael Valian. Mga dadilo ko
Christopher.
nag-save.
I have name Christopher. Yeah, because
Guys,
I need
I
to
need-
go sleep.
Bonus mission, guys. Bonus mission. Last game na. Okay, magtawagay ming Riza.
12 o'clock.
Guys, last game. Usam na
Dali
ko.
tayo kay magtawag tag kanjut tayo kay matulog ko.
I want whale diving, guys, for my gift gallery. Okay, last game na bitaw ni.
Last game, last game, last game.
Whale diving.
You need a tiny dining.
Yana. Nakapila ka Yana. Atong kuan big battle na to. Dako kay to no. Naka 1,000 na siya kaping sobra ba?
10
No?
roses. Rafael, Bian. Let's go. One more. Ay, one more. Andre!
We need 10 points, 10 points, 10 points faster.
Schedule tayo ng mga...
Wait! You didn't almost, kuan, reach.
Ako na kay kadi day.
Ako pa'y masuko atagan. Guys, 10 times
Kasi oran kay kadi ay. You didn't almost race. Ay katawanan kay kadi.
Times 2, guys. Sige na. Marong adlaw wa jud ay nakakwarta ko si Daddy Joey. Bago man si Joey dai nga mga tago.
Oh, di ba? May bago ka. Oh, pag may bago ang pira yun kaya para mudugay pa diha ay ka makakita ng bago.
Ay atay. Si Starry kay you're the queen of Starry. Ikaw na jud.
Not true at all.
Right? Oh, Andre! Hoy, Andre! Oh my God, it's my first time you sent me big gift. Aray, grabe na po. Aray.
Really true.
Sorry. Yeah. Rafael Balian. Mapay si Andre. Thank you.
Sa ano, tomorrow maka-live na si Raquel tomorrow? Ay, bakit Raquel na naman Morena? Maglibog. Maglilito ako kay ano, kay Raquel at kay Morena kasi parang pareha kasi sila yung mukha nila ba very classy? Ang tawag nila,
Morena man si Kuanday. Morena si Raquel. Mas morena si Raquel. Filipina beauty si Raquel. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
yeah.
Mapay si Andre. Manghatag pa si Andre. Andre, thank you very much, Andre. Wow!
Flying jet.
All.
Thank you, Star.
Okay, mana. Ah, mag-one more
Yana.
pa.
Yana. I'm going, Yana. Okay, Yana.
Goodbye.
Thank you so much, Star.
Goodbye, everybody. Gamay ra na kong kwarta. Unora ni $3.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Uy, Yana. Bye-bye na. Uy, I'm going na.
Babay na gani ni.
Si Yana, sad gayo. Next time, tomorrow, okay?
Bye-bye.
Sorry, thank you so much. Bye-bye, day, everyone. Bye-bye.